Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
Oh yeah, how you guys doing? They're posing behind me, but how you guys doing? Good evening. Welcome back to the Premier Live Musical Program on radio. It's the Concert Series, only here on the Monster. Yeah, these girls are back. They're very, very talented. Joining us tonight is P-Pop Quintet Kaya, consisting of Sophia, Angela, Charisse, Charlotte, and Alexa. The group has taken their inspiration from their inner characters. You can see behind me the strength they find in overcoming challenges. Their name, Kaya, is a fusion of two Tagalog words, Kinaya and a Tagalog noun that describes inner character, and Kaya, a term used by Filipinos to express their determination, like, Kaya natin to. So yeah, that's what they are doing. Last year, they graced the Concert Series stage for the first time as part of a doubleheader. But this time around, the spotlight is all there. So we're going to talk about their latest single that blends pop confection with a lightness and 90s R&B flair, produced and composed by Zach Tabudlo. Yes, he's producing R&B tracks, and the song is called Tanga. Right?
Yeah!
Okay, yeah. We're going to hear that in just a bit, ladies and gentlemen. For now, here's our front act. Here's Wyan last week on the Concert Series.
Monster RX 93.1.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
We're doing
Of course,
good.
Kaya, they're here, they're back, and this is what? After a year?
Yes. I think a year, yeah.
So, Simo, last year, you shared a spotlight with another act. Now you got it all on your own. And you got your customized shoes going on. Oh, look at that. Next
Gold
thing you know,
shoes.
matching jeans now.
Yes.
Working their way up. Working their way up. But how's it been? Kamusta? How's everything?
Okay naman po, nasa middle po kami ng promotion ng newest single namin na Tanga. And we're very, very happy po to be back here. And happy lang kami na nakapag-perform po kami in front of Verzaya. And ayun, masaya po kami sa maraming milestones ng Tanga. Yay!
The only people I know that are happy for Tanga. But okay. Now, you guys as a group, I mean, how long have you guys been doing this? How did it, I mean, we know we talked about how you all got started. Pero in the last time na nakita-kita tayo, was there any trials for the group? May mga pinagdaanan ba na tipong documentary work?
Since the last time na andito kami, parang madami na din talagang nangyari. But at the same time, ang dami naming both blessings and challenges. So, the one thing lang talaga na napansin namin na nangyari is we became stronger as ourselves and as a group, especially. Like, mas naging strong yung teamwork namin, and ayun lang talaga yung parang nagpapalakas na sa amin now, yung yung bigayan namin ng strength with one another. Kaya despite all the challenges, I think kaya naman. Kaya pa rin. Kaya kami.
They should have a documentary, Kinaya.
Yeah.
But as a group, I mean, ano ba yung mga challenges that you guys live in one house?
Yes.
Okay, what do you call your house? The K house? What is it?
The Kaya House.
So same house with parents, or is it more of like house with the girls and management and all that?
Kami lang
just
pong
us five.
5 po sa dorm po na. Maliit lang siya na dorm. Kung saan doon lang po kami nagre-rest kapag after na mag-training and mga events. Kung sa challenges naman po, siguro yung naging challenge po sa amin yung mag-release din ng songs these days. Itong na past months pala. Pero,
Is it
ayun.
because of the process of writing the song, it took a long time, or is it more of like timing on when to release the song?
Well, aside from the timing, siguro yung creative differences din namin. Kasi parang bawat isa sa amin, merong may gusto kaming kunwari ilabas na song or like genre na gustong itry, pero hindi nagkakasundo sa kung ano yung pupuntahan.
Pero napagkasunduan naman po namin na with our upcoming EP, papakita namin yung different sides ng Kaya. Yung hindi pa nila nakikita. Etong side na to.
So I'm guessing the songs are gonna be like parang performance sa award show. Yung mga 3 songs in one.
Yeah.
Like,
Siguro, yes, possible.
Are you guys doing all the songwriting other than Tanga? Is it you guys writing? Or no, you have your songwriter?
Siguro ngayon, we're working on, working with local producers. Mas nag-stick kami po doon para mas ramdam natin yung pagiging Pinoy. And actually,
Philippines.
Yes, Philippines! Ayun nga, pinapakita po namin dito na yung kaya, hindi lang nag-stick sa one genre.
Yes.
Kaya po namin mag-try ng different things.
And we're very blessed kasi yung mga naka-work namin ng mga local producers.
Si Zach Tabudol lang naman. No?
Yeah!
You're very blessed. Yes, you're very blessed.
Sobrang collaborative po nila na even though sila yung gumawa talaga ng song, like, they ask for our opinions and yung parang creative, kung ano yung tawag dun? Parang creative output namin dun, yung opinions namin. So, kinoconsider pa rin talaga nila. And dun pa lang, parang nafe-feel talaga namin na yung songs namin, it's very close to us, it's very personal na kahit hindi kami yung gumawa from scratch, we are able to, deliver it and perform it with our
like,
hearts.
how's the P-pop scene now from the last time? I was telling the girls earlier that when I'm on a FYP sa TikTok, 24 hours, just a channel locally, now it's featuring different P-pop acts. Mga 2 a.m.
Grabe, hardworking.
Somebody willing to get discovered. I mean, how many acts are there now when you guys do perform out there?
Ang dami na po. Actually, siguro yung hindi lang nagbago sa P-pop, yung nandyan pa rin yung passion, yung pagiging hardworking, nandyan pa rin po. Pero grabe yung pag-rise ng P-pop. Very thankful kami sa mga seniors namin na talagang nilaban din talaga yung P-pop. And of course, sa mga bago, yung mga rising P-pop groups na talagang patuloy na nagtatrabaho para talagang ma-establish natin tong P-pop sound.
Yes. Actually, sobrang saya lang po talaga namin na mas nakikilala na yung P-pop. Kasi even, kunwari, pag nagla-live kami, may mga nagtatanong na, paano po ba maging P-pop idol? Ganun. So, nakakatuwa kasi...
How can I be a P-pop? How did you guys
become?
How did you guys become Kaya? Was it an audition?
Yes.
Nagsalita ka naman, dude. Nagsalita eh. Tinitignan ko to, katabi ko to, I'm tripped out. I'm like, there's two of them. That's right. Okay. So,
actually, minessage po kami ng
boses din sila, trippy.
management namin. And then, private edition po siya. So, handpick po. Pero nauna po sila 4 before po ako. Kaya po hindi ako nagsasalita.
So, naghintay ka lang sa kanya. Naghihintay siya. So, parang kailangan natin ng isa pang member. Yes. Oh, yung kapatid ko nasa kotse, tawagin natin. And then, that's you.
The missing piece sa part.
And of course, si mad slaying rapper here, you know, how has it been? Have you been joining battle competitions since we last spoke to each other?
Wala po. Dito lang sa Kaya kasi
battle lang ng
buhay.
Water.
Battles lang ng life.
Yeah.
Battle
Sino po ba ng battle?
But so far, I mean, from the last time we saw each other, what are the skills that you guys added? Ano yung mga, is it more dance training? What have you guys been listening to?
More than that po, siguro yung creative input po namin sa mga music videos, sa mga...
Visuals?
Yes, visuals. Yung paano kami pinapackage or yung packaging namin. And
paano kang pinapackage yung packaging namin?
Sorry, nababaliw na po ako right now. Pero yung packaging po namin, yung paano kami i-present sa public and how we promote our songs.
Gotcha.
Like, very, very involved. Lalo na sa...
Parang lumalawak na rin kasi yung range ng ideas
yes,
natin. No?
So today, what are we gonna be performing here? New songs?
Mix.
New
songs. Kasi baka na-miss na nilang pakinggan yung dati namin.
Are we gonna be seeing you dance moves? Because we are on video too.
Pwede namin turo po yung namin, TikTok moves ng tanga.
I don't dance. I just press like and share. That's all I do. Okay, so we're going to have some more of Kaya. We're going to hear some more from them. And Where to Catch Them Live, that's coming up, ladies and gentlemen. We got them live here. The concert series here on The Monster.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
Oh.
Wow.
Really talented girls. Kaya's here, for those joining us. Great vocalization, you know, when it comes to P-pop groups, actually to groups in general, whether it's a boy group or a girl group, yun yung inaano when it comes to shows, kinikilatis ng mga fans yan. Can they really sing? Is the mic really on? for you guys, that was always a strength for you guys. You know, when you guys guessed it last time and now. So, I want to ask, you do acapellas as well?
Yes, of course.
Ano yung pag may mga showcase, is that what you call it? Showcase?
Yes.
Yeah. Like when you're with your fans, mga P-popcorn.
Gatherings.
So pag ganun, you're gathered with different P-pop groups. Do you show like, naghahanda ba kayo na kailangan have to stand out?
Ay, hindi naman po. Like, we're just showing yung talagang yung kami as a group.
Yes.
I think magsa-stand out ka kapag ikaw lang, yung authentic self mo, no?
No, pero nga competitive kayo. You can't hide that, you know. You have to pag ganun when you guys
With each other.
when you guys get on stage. Anong klaseng kaya yung kunyari you're pitted against another girl group. Oh, yan. Ano yung I did mention your strength is a cappella. So what would be your weapons of choice if you do this?
For me, I think kasi yung competition is within ourselves. Like, we need to be better each performance. Kaya hindi talaga namin hinahayaan na hanggang dito lang yung kaya namin. So, we always practice and we continue to learn new things talaga.
And also, we monitor po yung mga past performances namin.
Sino yung critic?
Actually, lahat
Sa sarili.
Sa sarili.
Sa
But you guys
personality.
don't point at each other. Alam mo, yung eyebrows mo dapat on fleek.
Yes, actually.
Ayun yung nakaka-hurt.
So, I mean, when you guys do that, when you do watch yourselves, I mean, nasa na kayo sa stage nyo ngayon? Is this ready for K-PopCon? Or what do you call that? The one in the States, in LA?
K-Con.
K-Con? Are you guys ready for that if you're invited?
Yes, we're always ready and we're always open for
What would be the song you'd
opportunities.
perform if you were to be invited for K-Con?
I think for me lang ako muna.
Diba? What
Kaya.
would be, no?
Ako kaya, tsaka tanga. Kayo.
Ako blah blah.
Ay, blah, blah.
Blah, blah. Blah, blah.
Did you perform
you
Blah
did
Blah?
it.
You did it.
Last year, here.
Okay,
Blah, blah,
can you guys do an acapella Blah Blah?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, and what you say, blah blah. What you say? What you say, blah blah.
Boy, it's over now.
What you say, blah, blah. What you say? What you say? Blah, what you say? Yeah.
Looking back into this moment, the way I loved you, boy, I know I was foolish.
What you say, blah blah. What you say? What you say, blah blah.
Boy, it's over now. Munti ka na makalimutan yung
Off
lyrics.
guard.
Ano?
How about covers? Do you guys ever do... Kasi diba, that's also in when you guys do acapella covers.
Yeah,
ano
we
yung
do.
mga acapella covers niya? Online. Did you ever perform online?
Usually, when like we're outside of the country, we do covers para
Yes.
magpakilala sa ibang lahi yung musikang Pilipino.
So ano yun na? Ano
Last
nyo?
time, India, guys. Araw-gabi.
Meron din po kami You'll Be in My Heart. Yung mga parang mga recent
Can you guys do versions of that real quick?
which one?
Let's go to
I'm giving you options.
medley.
Okay, ano ba?
Go. Kaya medley.
Ano pa ba mga...
Okay. Don't stop your crying, it will be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Yes, you'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. Yes, you'll be here in my heart. Always. Always.
Yeah!
Ano kami dito?
Put your hands up in the air.
Sabi niyo siya.
Cause you'll be mine. Guys, lahat na to.
No, but these are just all on the spot because, you know, if you guys are wondering, the songs are very short.
Yeah.
So the show is until 8 o'clock. You know what I mean? But thank you for adding some bonuses on this one. Now, what's in the works for you girls?
We're currently working on an EP po. Actually, yun nga po, we're gathering all the songs. Kami po, nagbe-brainstorm na kami kung anong gusto po namin maipalabas or maipakita sa EP namin. But yung pinaka mapapromise namin sa Zaya, talagang pinaghihirapan namin to. Gusto namin mag-give back sa inyo, Zaya. And I think you will like all the songs kasi talagang kasama kami sa mga pumili, and we're working with different local producers, and we're very, very happy to be able to have this opportunity to work with them, and we're very thankful sa Sony Music Philippines, sa label namin, for giving us a lot of opportunities to work with amazing artists.
Yes,
Yay.
and for tomorrow, actually, sa mga nanonood dito, kung taga Naga po kayo, nasa Naga po kami
Lapit.
tomorrow. So,
Don't throw away.
For our other events, you can follow us on our social media accounts.
You can follow us. Just search Kaya Official PH, and Kaya members.
And you can listen to our songs on all music digital streaming platforms.
Talagang it hops from one person to another who will speak. Now, girls, I mean, there are people out there who would want to join a P-pop group. Each and every one of you guys, what are the challenges that you guys had to face when you were individually joining in a group, and how did you overcome that challenge?
For me, yung self-doubt. Kasi grabe yung mapagdadaanan mo along the way. Kaya dapat matibay yung puso mo and also your mind. And mahalaga yung support system.
Yeah, you have the same parents. I mean,
Yes. Our support systems.
Okay.
For me naman, yung pagiging, for me, yung pagiging overachiever, parang, kasi, parang nakuha na rin ibang members na actually, parang, lagi namin iniisip na, what else can we do? Or ano pa ba yung pwede kong gawin just to prove myself.
Spitfire.
Yeah, tas parang naisip ko lang na as long as you do your best every time, and kung hindi talaga kaya as of the moment, still try, basta as long as you do your best and give your 100% in everything. And sobrang normal lang talaga, like for us, normal lang talaga na magkamali. And as long as you don't take that, you don't be discouraged with that, as long as patuloy ka pa rin lumalaban. So, yeah.
Sino man yung nalalabanan ng mga tao?
Pag pinaglalab.
Rapper!
Sa akin siguro, yung naging challenges sa akin before is yung pag-compromise sa differences and yung pag-ask ng help. So, ngayon...
But what are the differences in the group? Is it like more you wanna do more gangster rap because you like the rap?
Feeling ko kasi, different po yung mga influences namin sa music. So, minsan, for example, gusto ko ganito yung atake, ganito yan. Pero, at the end of the day, we learn from each other. And feeling ko naging strength din namin siya kasi kapag nagagawa kami ng song, hindi lang siya yung isang tunog lang.
Di lang
So,
puro
we
sa
can do
kapunta,
different types of music. Yes.
Okay.
So, ayun.
Gotcha. Di lang gang.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, sa akin naman po siguro yung challenge for me nung time na
Got a lot of.
nag-training kami.
Did you make
yung,
this whole bracelet, the necklace? Is that no? Okay. That one.
Siguro
Go
sa
back to your serious answer.
siguro sa akin yung discipline. Kasi kailangan mong gumising ng maaga to train, and
How early do you guys train?
before po nung trainee pa kami, usually gumigising na 8
Kala ko
a.m.
mga alas 5.
8 a.m. start na po
no?
ng training noon. Tapos, syempre, discipline din sa pagsunod mo sa mga coaches, sa mga assignments, and other things pa. Ayun. Lagi mo lang tatandaan na be responsible din. Like, syempre, before ka maging artist, kailangan mo munang pagdaanan yung mga training. So, be patient lang and put a lot of effort, and lagi mo lang gagalingan.
Oh, yes.
Perfect.
Ako naman siguro yung challenge yung ma-keep mo yung sarili mong identity, especially when you're out there.
How do you do that?
yun, isa pang,
I mean, right?
yung meron kang twin sister.
But you do have individualism.
Yeah, yun nga po, yung hindi mo mawala yun sa sarili mo. Kasi nga maraming opinions yung mga tao. Lahat naman ng tao parang may freedom to have their own opinions. But the most important thing is yung paano yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Dapat hindi yun magbabago. I think yun yung strength din ng Kaya na lagi namin nire-remind sa sarili namin na, kaya mo yan.
Actually,
Wala naman chismis about you guys, so far. Wala naman, right?
Wala po. Ano lang po talaga, very focused po kami sa work namin.
Work.
Yeah.
Okay. Just perform.
Yeah.
What's the dream? To go what? Global? Worldwide?
To release an EP. Yun po yung una namin goal.
When's it gonna drop, your EP?
This year.
You have to be in detail, man. You have to know,
Tomorrow.
Na-pressure na
So
yung
ilang songs pa to record?
Siguro mga 3, mga ganun.
3
or 2.
So half a song pa lang yung nare-record. EP and so more. Any collaborations you guys would want to do?
Collaboration.
The world is listening.
Kung bibigyan po talaga ng chance, gusto po namin, syempre, maka-work yung mga, isa sa mga local artists natin. Katulad po nila, Casey Tandingan, Sarah Ronimo. Pero if given a chance, XG, Cat's Eye.
Taas
Nona
from Indonesia.
All right, that could happen. Ladies, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can't wait for the next one. EP, LP, next one. May mga greets ba kayo? Go ahead, girls.
So ayan, Zaya, hello guys. Alam ko na nanonood kayo ngayon. And ayan, gusto lang namin mag-thank you sa support ninyo palagi. And meron kami mga upcoming events. Tomorrow, pupunta kami sa Naga for Kaugma. Pinagandaan po namin yan. Sana po makita po namin kayo. And of course, yung EP po namin, alam namin na hindi pa namin nasasabi yung date, pero we're working on it. Promise, meron talaga kaming inihanda para sa inyo. Pero meanwhile, enjoy muna natin si Tanga. And congratulations sa 900,000 streams! Grabe, 2 months pa lang siya, pero grabe yung narating ni Tanga. Gusto na namin mag-thank you sa Sony Music Philippines, sa label namin, sa family and friends, and of course sa Zaya. We love you!
Thank you po.
I ran out of battery with my mic. So, ladies, thank you very much. Ang saya ninyo being here. I have to throw that in there. Okay, ladies. Okay, what's the last song? Tanga.
Yes.
Okay, what's the song about?
This song is about yung pagmamahal niyo sa mga taong red flag.
Hold on. You guys, do you guys have time to have a love life? Are you guys dating anyone?
If magiging honest po ako, 26 years old na po ako. So, may yung mga ligawan stage, experiences na, past experiences.
Okay.
Yes, so,
one by one then.
24 na. Mag-24 na po ako. So, ganun din. From the past experiences.
Okay.
Parang for now, kasi talaga kami, work.
So no time for life. For love life.
Yes.
Yes.
So you're 26 na rin.
Yes, sadly.
No dating life for you girls?
No. Wala pong time.
You're the quiet one.
No. I'm 25 and nobody
check
talks to me.
I don't know why they're age revealing. I don't ask their age. I'm just asking if somebody's dating somebody.
Promise kasi nga po wala pa talaga kami time kasi kahit nga sa aeroplano na lang po kami natutulog. sa travel. Yes, walang time. Hindi naman kami defensive. Honest lang kami, guys.
All right, so here we go. This one's called Tanga, written by Zach the Budlo. How was it working with Zach?
Super happy, super nice.
Super happy po. Dream come true po kasi super idol po namin si Zach Tabudlo and ang dami po namin natutunan din sa process po.
And what are the things you've learned?
Yung bumilib sa sarili, pag nag-harmony. Yes. Mag-adlib.
Trust yourself.
Kasi sa mga kanta ni Zach talagang yung boss ginagamit niyang instrumental din talaga eh. Yung pangpakapal, yung mga different ways niya. Makikita niyo po yan kasi magre-release po kami ng behind the scenes. So,
Yes,
abangan
nyo na lang guys kung ano yung mga natutunan na.
All right, so here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, live at the concert series, it's Kaya!
Let's go! Let's go!
The concert series. Live on the Monster.